Today I am with my daughter Ashton, and we are going to show you how to do a messy pigtail. I'm going to show you. There's the little bump right here. And I already did one side, so we're going to show you how to do the other. You're going to come to the second side. And I did 4 sections, but you can do as many or as little as you want. I like to make sure they're nice and big, but that's just my preference. So you're gonna comb all of that piece or that section out. You're gonna tie it off with your first elastic, making sure that the other hairs are out of the way. Now we're going to go to our second section. I'm going like right in front of the ear for the second one, at the top of the head. Matching the one on the other side. And you're going to again pull it out. And put your elastic in. Now for the bubbling part, I'm just going to kind of loosely take that out. Then we're going to go to our third section. In the middle of the back of the head. Right where this right to this section where the head starts to have a little bit there. Cutting it out in between before you put the elastic in. And again, we're going to take our section, just the bump or the ponytail that you got from the previous section, and you're just going to play with it and kind of pull it out as you want, because my hair is little. And we're going to go on to our last section. Again, clean it out and adding the previous hair. And this hair tie is going to go at the bottom for the pigtail. Lastly, we're going to just pull it out. Just a little. I like mine loose and fun. Then, we're all done. Want to spin?
Yeah.
Woo! A few times. Just for fun.